Alright, so if you have this task management app and if you downloaded it, the first thing you want to do, come over here and we're gonna be in a terminal and we'll anyway do Flutter clean. And after that, we're gonna do Flutter pub-get. All right, and I'm gonna run it on iOS simulator first. All right, so it's been uploaded over here, and so we see that the app is ready. So this is one of the record that I had earlier. Now over here, I'm going to do a new task over here. So I'm going to say this is a new task like that, and I love this app. And then I'm going to choose a time over here because right now it's 3:29, so I'm going to do 3:30 and choose PM because I'm in the afternoon. And then over here I'm going to choose daily and create task. Now we are waiting for the notification. So as you can see here, it says that this is a new task and I love this app. Now it's gonna go there. All right, now we're gonna go for Android section. I'm going to close this iOS and then I'm going to choose one of my Android simulator, and there will be some issues, I know that, so I'm going to show you how to fix these things. Now after running this on Android, we see that we have issues, and we already see that app is up and running, but we have issues, so we need to fix these issues. First one over here, it's talking about this initialization settings. So, well, we see that we have this variable initialization settings, and inside this we have iOS, but we are missing Android. So I'm going to open up this one and create a variable over here, and we'll call it Android initialization settings. And after that, I'm going to copy this one over here, and I'm going to pass it to Android. Another thing I have to do over here, I have to give it an icon. So the icon name is IC Launcher, this one. But at the same time, you have to make sure that this IC launcher image is inside this drawable folder like this one. You can just copy one from here and put here, and you should be good to go. Well, so that's the first thing we did and the last thing, I guess. Hopefully it should work now. Okay, after changing this one over here about Android, that's fine. And for iOS over here, if you're using the older version, it might not work. For iOS, right now, instead of iOS settings, you have to use a Darwin initialize settings. So the constructor is different. So call the constructor and create an object and save it as Darwin initialize settings, and you are good to go. This section is a new version of Flutter local notifications. We're going to restart and we'll see if we have errors or not. Looks like we don't have any errors. All right, so I'm going to create a task right now, and here I'm going to say hello there, and then how are you, and then I'm going to pull it up over here right now. I'm going to change it to 5 and I'm going to select PM, and after that over here I'm going to choose daily. Make sure that you choose daily, otherwise it might not work. And then I'm going to create task, and over here now we are waiting for the task to be initialized. Okay, anyway, first you need to allow it. So now if you allow, that means that the first notification actually is gone. It couldn't play the notification because we didn't have the permission. So we're going to create a new task and call it second task. I'll say this is a big project. And one more time, I'm going to select over here like 1 minute later, and because I'm in the afternoon, so PM, and then I'm going to select it as daily and then create the task. Now this is a different color. Now this time it should be 3:36. Now this time we'll be waiting for the notification. Okay, and here because we are on Android, we already see that notification has arrived. If you click on this, it will take you to a new page where we have this second task. This is a big project and everything is here.